Protecting what matters most, security camera systems. Welcome to our video on security camera systems, the key to protecting what matters most. In this video, we will explore how security camera systems are essential for keeping your spaces safe and secure. Additionally, we will introduce the DVR and NVR standards, and towards the end of the video, we will highlight our professional and personalized installation services. Let's delve into the world of security. The importance of security cameras. We live in a world where security is paramount. Security cameras play a crucial role in protecting our homes, businesses, and public spaces. They are the watchful eyes that allow us to monitor and record what happens in real time. Moreover, they act as a powerful deterrent against theft, vandalism, and other criminal activities. With security cameras, you can have peace of mind knowing that your loved ones, belongings, and surroundings are protected 24/7. The DVR and NVR standards. When it comes to security camera systems, it's important to understand the difference between the DVR, digital video recorder, and NVR, network video recorder standards. The DVR is a system that records and stores video signals on an internal hard drive, making it ideal for smaller-scale security applications. On the other hand, the NVR uses a data network to record and store video, making it more versatile and suitable for larger-scale security camera systems and network surveillance applications. Advantages and differences. Both standards have their advantages. The DVR is known for its user-friendly interface and ability to operate independently without a network. Additionally, DVRs are often more cost-effective compared to NVRs. On the other hand, the NVR offers greater flexibility and scalability, allowing integration with other security systems and remote viewing from mobile devices. It is also compatible with high-resolution IP cameras and provides greater storage capacity. Our professional installation services. At Smart Solutions, we take pride in offering top-notch installation services for security camera systems. Our team of highly trained experts works with you to design a customized system that meets your needs, whether you choose a DVR or an NVR. We take care of every detail, from strategically locating the cameras to configuration and setup. Trust us to provide the protection you deserve.